Hi children, welcome again back to my channel. Today we are going to do something different, and this is the lesson Indigo written by Louis Fisher. What we are going to do is the one line answers or the MCQs. I'm just giving you a slight recap. In this lesson, we recognize the nature of Gandhiji, that is, how good he is as a leader and how he tries to see beyond the problems of his followers. The Rajkumar Shukla came with one problem, but he did not see only that problem. He also noticed that Champaran was very backward, and so he brought his own people from the ashram to help the people in Champaran and improve their lifestyle. That was the typical functioning of Gandhiji. He also taught the youth of India how to depend on themselves and how to believe in ourselves when we know that the cause for our fight is just. Now, Gandhiji gave his entire life to get independence for India. However, it was a Champaran incident that made the Mahatma realize that he could urge the British to leave India. Champaran incident taught important lessons to not only Gandhi but to the indigo sharecroppers, to the landlords and the British. Now I just want to tell you the way in which I have made these questions. Though they may come as MCQs, I have not given 4 options because there is no point in you knowing the wrong answers. So I have given you only the correct answers. That is the objective questions with answers that can come as MCQs. If you know the correct answer, you are going to take that. For your convenience, I have given you 2 links. The first link is the same lesson, the important questions, that is the 2 markers and the 5 markers, along with the characters of the main people, that is Rajkumar Shukla and Gandhiji. The second link is a quick 2-minute revision points for the lesson. Now, if you want to revise very quickly, then you can go to that. Remember, this is not a substitute to studying the lesson. Okay, the 1 markers. I have told you before also that whenever you start studying any lesson or poem, you should know the title properly and the author or the poet's name along with the spelling. So question number 1, the author, Louis Fisher. Please pay attention to the spelling. Question number 2, which is the book from which this chapter is an excerpt? Excerpt means it is a part of that book. It is not the entire book. One entire book was written by Louis Fisher. This lesson is only a part of it. The book's name is The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 3. Where was the annual convention of the Indian National Congress 1916 held? Answer, Lucknow. 4. Name of the sharecropper who wished to see Gandhi regarding the sharecropper's problem. Answer, Rajkumar Shukla from Champaran. Question number 5. What is the message given in the lesson? The lesson teaches us the importance of unity and self-confidence. Unity because Mahatma Gandhi realized that when people of India are united, they can send the British away and we can rule our own country. Self-confidence because if you think what you are doing is correct, you have the courage to fight for it. Don't depend on anyone else. Question number 6. How do you know that Rajkumar was resolute? Resolute means very, very determined, firm. Answer, Rajkumar Shukla was resolute because he did not leave Gandhiji's side till Gandhi agreed to visit Champaran. He did not even leave Gandhi's side but followed him everywhere. Question number 7. How did Rajkumar Shukla look? Answer, Rajkumar Shukla looked poor and emaciated. Emaciated means extremely poor. and very, very thin. 8. Whose house did Gandhi go to in Patna? Answer: Rajendra Prasad's house. Later on, Rajendra Prasad was the same person who became the President of India. Question number 9. Why was Gandhi not allowed to drink water in Rajendra Prasad's house? Gandhi had come with Rajkumar Shukla to Rajendra Prasad's house, and because of that he was thought of being an untouchable. The guards felt that if Gandhiji drank water, the water of the entire well would be polluted. Question number 10. Whom did Gandhiji meet in Muzaffarpur? Gandhiji met Professor J.B. Kriplani. Gandhiji first met him at the Arts College, Muzaffarpur. Question number 11. What act of the Professor Kriplani did Gandhi feel was extraordinary? Professor Kriplani harbored a person like Gandhiji who was openly fighting the British. Professor Kriplani was a professor from a government college. So, in spite of working for the government, if he is going to support somebody who is fighting against the government, he had a lot of courage to do this. Question number 12. Why did Gandhiji chide the lawyers? Chide means scold. Gandhiji felt that the lawyers chided the lawyers for collecting huge fees from the poor farmers. Question number 13. What was Gandhiji's concern about farmers who fought cases in courts? Answer: Gandhiji felt that fighting cases was useless for the farmers as they were very fear-stricken and crushed. They just spent the money, but they did not win any of the cases. So that is why they would be very crushed. Question number 14. What would actually bring relief to the farmers? According to Gandhiji, the real relief to the farmers would be to be free of fear. Question number 15. The Britishers compelled the farmers to grow indigo, but later on reversed their decision. They then said that we don't want indigo and you pay us for revoking the contract. Germany started making synthetic indigo, and so the naturally grown indigo was not commercially viable. Means they could not make profit on that because the synthetic indigo was cheaper. Hence, the British reversed their decision. Question number 6. Whom all did Gandhiji meet to understand the sharecroppers' problem? Answer: Gandhiji met the secretary of the British Landlords Association, the commissioner of the Tirhat region, the lawyers and the sharecroppers. Question number 17. How did the commissioner of Tirhat region react to Gandhiji's request for information? Answer: the secretary bullied him and advised him to leave Tirhat. Question number 18. What was the secretary of the Landlords Association's reply when Gandhiji asked him for information about the sharecroppers' problem? The secretary replied that he could not give information to Gandhiji as Gandhi was an outsider. Question number 19. What was the capital of Champaran? Answer: Motihari. Question number 20. Who stopped Gandhiji as he was going to meet a peasant who had been ill-treated in a nearby village? As Gandhiji was going on an elephant to meet the farmer, he was stopped by the police superintendent's messenger who overtook him and ordered Gandhi to return to the town in his carriage. Question number 21. What official notice was served to Gandhi on his return to town? Answer: Gandhiji was ordered to leave Champaran immediately. Question number 22. What was Gandhiji's reply? Answer: Gandhiji signed receipt of the notice and wrote that he would disobey the order. Receipt of the notice means he wrote that I have received the order but I am going to disobey it. Question number 23. What was the consequence of Gandhiji's refusal to disobey the order? Consequence means result. Answer: as a result of Gandhiji's disobedience, he received summons to appear in court the next day. Summons means he got a call from the court that he should reach the court the next day. Question number 24. Why was Gandhi ji awake the whole night before he went to court the next day? Answer. If you see, always whenever Gandhi had to meet some Britisher, he always made backup plans in case he was arrested, work would not stop. Answer. He telegraphed Rajendra Prasad to come from Bihar with influential friends. He sent instructions to the ashram and wired a full report to the viceroy. Children, the number of questions are too many, so I have made a second part. Thanks for watching this. We will continue in the second video.